Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well today. So today we are on the way now to our school outing. So if you're watching this video right now, just make sure to subscribe, like, comment and share. Time check now is 5 a.m. in the morning. We have to go early because the bus is already waiting for us there. So that is the bus. Let's get inside. Tara na. Uy, mga tao dito. Hey guys, I'm here now inside the bus. And now we just wait for the time to go. So now just sit back and relax. Hey guys, we have just arrived in the place and now we have to go up there, and my friends are already there, so let's just follow them. So guys, that is the swimming pool that we gonna swim later. As you can see, the swimming pool is so huge, and I think that is also very deep, so I think we will enjoy here. Let's enjoy guys.